You know what you want to say in your head, but when you speak English, you hesitate. You pause. You simplify. And later you think, that didn't sound like me. That's not because your English is bad. It's because you're not using spoken English. Today, we'll fix that. These are everyday words people use without thinking. At work, with friends, and in real conversations. Stay till the end. Your English will feel easier after this. Hi, I'm Daniel. I'll explain each word and what it really means in daily English.
And I'm Emma. I'll help you understand each word with 2 clear, real-life examples.
Bring up. This means to start talking about a topic.
Example. She brought up the issue during the meeting. I didn't want to bring it up, but it was important.
Go with. This means to choose or accept an option.
Example. Let's go with your idea. I'll go with whatever you decide.
Not really. This is a soft, polite way to say no.
Example. Did you like the movie? Not really. Are you ready? Not really.
Catch up. This means to get updated or spend time talking after a gap.
Example. Let's catch up over coffee. I need to catch up on my emails.
Sort of. This softens your answer and sounds natural.
Example. I sort of agree with you. It's sort of complicated.
Be into. This means to like or be interested in something.
Example. She's really into fitness. I'm not into horror movies.
Take your time. This means there's no rush.
Example. Take your time. There's no hurry. Don't rush. Take your time deciding.
Turn down. This means to refuse or reject politely.
Example. He turned down the offer. I had to turn it down due to my schedule.
From time to time. This means occasionally, not often.
Example. I work from home from time to time. We still talk from time to time.
That works. This means something is acceptable or okay.
Example. Tuesday at 3? That works? Yeah, that solution works for me. Fluent English isn't fast English. It's comfortable English. Choose one word from today and use it in your next conversation. If this video helped you, like it. Subscribe for more real spoken English. And comment one sentence using today's words.